So my name is Greg Sutton. I heard about GetSetUp through an article in the New York Times about adult online education back in 2020, before the pandemic. And I had a need for trying to find more specific technology information for my job. And fortunately, the time that I invested in GetSetUp helped me with learning more about Microsoft and the Microsoft tools. And that in turn helped me do better with my job. And then I just investigated some of the other options and found them all to be successful. It was easy to work the classes on Zoom. They were free. You just had to invest an hour of your time to learn about all kinds of different things and expand your community option to where you were learning and enjoying your time being online, and met some interesting people. Um, got to know a little bit about other things that I hadn't thought about or knew about. And it just was a great way of building a good online community relationship that I've continued to be a part of for the last 5 years.